I'm going to be teaching a course with Tira about microscopes and social media. We're going to go over some basic techniques with microscopes, fundamentals really, that teach you how to keep the microscope in focus when you're trying to either demonstrate something on a screen or capture something on film. We'll have two microscopes with us, well, at least two. They're going to be Vesta 3s, one with the internal camera and one with our Benchcam 4K 75. You'll be able to compare and contrast, see how they work, see what winds up working best for your particular application, and then we're going to give you an idea of which one we think would work best for what you want to do. In addition to talking about microscopes, we'll talk about filming, and we'll also talk about streaming on social media. There'll be some other equipment, some other demos that we wind up doing to try to help you get started and make things simple so you can make the most of your camera purchase. Bench Fusion is a unique event in that each of the presenters has their own classroom. So in between presentations, people will be able to ask individual questions or they'll be able to try out equipment on their own. There is a nominal fee for Bench Fusion. It's $99. Please be sure to register on the website before attending the event. That'll give us an idea of how many people to expect to show up. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. You know the drill. If you subscribe, it encourages us to make more of these kinds of videos. Thanks. Wow, those look great.